Hello everyone, it's another enlightening journey on our channel. In today's video, we're embarking on a deep dive into the transformative world of yoga, where ancient wisdom meets modern solutions, specifically focusing on its profound benefits for stress relief. If the demands of life have left you feeling overwhelmed, you've landed in the right place. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of yoga that can bring tranquility to your hectic life. But before we immerse ourselves in the incredible world of yoga, take a moment to ensure you don't miss any of our future content by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss out on the uplifting insights we have in store for you. All right, let's break it down. What's this thing called stress anyway? Stress is like our body's way of reacting when things get tough, you know? It's normal when life throws challenges our way, but when it sticks around too long, it messes with our whole vibe, physically and mentally. Now let's talk about yoga. It's not just stretching and bending, it's like a whole vibe of its own. It's about finding your zen, your peace. So back to stress. Yoga's like the superhero that swoops in to save the day. It's not just about touching your toes, it's about touching your soul and feeling good inside and out. So, why does yoga work its magic on stress? Well, it's not just a workout, it's a chill out. Imagine your body as a team with stress on one side and yoga on the other. Yoga helps your body switch from panic mode to relaxation mode. It's like telling stress, hey, take a chill pill. And guess what? This isn't some mystical stuff. It's science-backed. Studies say yoga isn't just good for the body, it's a stress buster for the mind too. So, if life's been throwing too much your way and stress is doing the cha-cha in your head, maybe it's time to roll out that yoga mat. Let's kick off this journey of self-discovery and well-being. Let's start right now, on this path to a stress-free zone. Ready? Let's begin. Now, let's get into the fifth list of benefits of yoga in stress relief. Peaceful side of yoga. Meditation and mindfulness, the ultimate stress relief duo. It's like a mental spa day, and trust me, the benefits are worth it. Taking a moment to quiet your mind and let go of worries is a game changer in the stress relief game. It's not about having a Zen master's concentration, it's about finding a quiet spot in your mind's busy city. Sure, in our fast-paced lives, finding time for meditation might seem like a challenge. But here's the thing, the rewards are massive. So, imagine this. We're wrapping up our yoga session with a short, guided meditation. Find a comfy spot, close your eyes, and let the soothing words be your guide to a serene mental oasis. And here's the cool part. Science says yoga isn't just a physical workout. It's a stress-busting, healing superhero. It triggers a series of events in your body, dialing down the stress response. It's like telling stress, you're not in control here. So, do wrap up the yoga session. Not just feeling good, but feeling centered and ready to tackle whatever life throws our way. Now, let's dive into the fourth benefit of yoga in stress relief. The superhero moves of yoga, the poses that kick stress to the curb. These poses aren't about being a yoga pro. They're about saying, see ya, stress. Whether you're chilling in the gentle child's pose or feeling the power of the downward dog, each pose targets those stress zones in your body. It's like giving stress a map and saying, you can't hide here anymore. As we flow through these poses together, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress. Feel the stretch, breathe through it, and let go of that stress baggage you've been lugging around. Imagine it like a mini vacation for your body. And here's the cool science bit. Yoga isn't just about feeling good, it's about reducing stress hormones. Studies say yoga does this superhero thing by lowering cortisol levels. It's like telling stress, you're not the boss here, so get ready to strike a pose and show stress at the exit door. All right, let's chat about the third benefit of yoga in stress relief. Why the mind-body tag team in yoga is like a secret handshake for kicking stress to the curb. So, when you roll out that yoga mat, it's not just about stretching and bending. It's like your mind and body doing a little dance together. the cool part? It's not a complicated dance. It's about moving and breathing in harmony. It's like your body saying, "Hey mind, we're in sync." Now, why does this matter? Well, it's like having your own stress-busting squad. This mind-body connection in yoga isn't just a fancy term. It's your way of becoming best buds with yourself. When your mind and body talk to each other, you become more aware of what's going on inside. It's like getting a heads up on how your body feels, helping you catch those stress signals early on. And here's the kicker. When you move mindfully, it's not just about looking cool. It's about releasing tension that's been camping out in your muscles. Picture it like a tension eviction party, from your head to your toes. Yoga isn't just a workout. It's like telling stress, "You're not welcome here." Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what yoga does for your body. It's not just about becoming a yoga superhero with crazy poses. It's about becoming a superhero in your own skin. Yoga is like your personal trainer, but without the hardcore vibes. It tones your muscles, improves your balance, and makes you as flexible as a yoga mat. But wait, there's more. Yoga gets the blood flowing and warms up those muscles. Why does this matter? Because when your body is all warmed up, it's like saying, "Stress, you can't stick around here." It's a physical tune-up that makes your body less of a stress magnet. So when life's got you in a tight spot and your muscles are singing the stress anthem, yoga's your playlist for relaxation. It's not about becoming a yoga guru overnight. It's about making friends with your body and mind. Ready for that friendship? It's time for us to talk about the second benefit of yoga in stress relief. Why making yoga a regular thing is like giving your mind a cozy blanket of well-being. So, you know how life can sometimes throw us curveballs, making us feel like we're in a bit of a mental storm? Well, that's where yoga steps in as your trusty umbrella. Doing yoga regularly isn't just about twisting into cool poses. It's like giving your mental health a warm hug. Think about it. Depression, anxiety, and stress are like those unwanted guests crashing the party in your head. Yoga's your bouncer, saying, "Sorry folks, this is a good vibes only zone." It's not a quick fix. It's a gradual superhero that sneaks in and evicts the mental chaos. But here's the cool part. Yoga doesn't just kick out the unwelcome guests. It invites in the good vibes. It's like turning on a mental light switch, making you more aware, boosting your concentration, and centering your mind. It's not about becoming a meditation guru overnight. It's about giving your mind a daily dose of peace. So, when life gets a bit too wild and your mind feels like a runaway train, regular yoga is your ticket to a more centered, focused, and stress-managed you. It's not a magic wand. It's a slow dance towards mental well-being. Are you ready to take that dance? All right, let's dive into the magic of yoga and why it's like a chill pill for your mind and body. The first benefit of yoga in stress relief. So, picture this. Life can get pretty hectic, right? Like a roller coaster of stress and anxiety. But here's where yoga steps in, like your calm superhero. It's not about crazy poses, it's about finding your zen in the middle of life's chaos. First off, there's this cool thing yoga does. It's like a secret handshake between your mind and body. It's all about getting rid of stress and saying, "Hey, anxiety, take a break." Now, let's talk about the superhero move of yoga, deep breathing. It's not just inhale, exhale. It's a game changer. Yoga's like, "Listen up, stress. We're bringing in the big guns." Deep breaths. As we do this together, it's not about becoming a yoga guru. It's about feeling the magic of slowing down. Inhale the good vibes, exhale the bad vibes. Simple, right? And that breath of fresh air isn't just air. It's a bridge to a stress-free zone. It's like a mini vacation for your mind. The tension? Yeah, it's packing its bags and leaving. Enter calmness, peace, your own personal serenity. Now, why does this work? Well, it's not some hocus pocus. It's science-backed goodness. Yoga doesn't just talk the talk. It walks the walk. When you take those deep breaths, you're telling your body, "Chill, we got this." It's like flipping a switch, moving from panic mode to Zen mode. Imagine stress as this hyperactive friend, always on the go. Yoga's the wise friend that says, "Hey, let's sit down and relax." It's about shifting gears from fight or flight to full-on relaxation mode, your body's way of saying, "All right, stress, you can take a back seat." And guess what? This isn't just yoga philosophy, it's real-life goodness. Studies say yoga isn't just for flexible folks, it's for everyone dealing with life's crazy ride. So, if stress has been throwing a party in your head, it might be time to RSVP to the yoga mat. So, here's the deal. Yoga is your stress-busting sidekick, armed with deep breaths and relaxation techniques. It's not about twisting yourself into a pretzel. It's about untangling the mess stress made in your mind. And there you have it. A comprehensive exploration of the 5 powerful benefits of yoga for stress relief. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, incorporating these practices into your routine can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Each breath, each pose, and each moment of mindfulness contribute to a more balanced and stress-free life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Until next time, stay zen, stay positive, and keep on yogaing. Namaste.